Hello everyone, welcome to the Solid Edge tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create or generate spring in the Solid Edge. So let's get started. New, start. Here we will use engineering reference option from the Solid Edge. Engineering reference option is in the tool tab of the Solid Edge and in this region of the ribbon. So just drop down this menu bar for the engineering reference. Click on Spring Designer. Here are the few parameters we need to submit to generate the spring. After filling this parameter, we can calculate or check for the spring for the given load or given requirement. So let's get started with this. The wire diameter is 6 mm, active coils 6, outside diameter, unload length, preload and applied load. Safety factor we are considering 1. You can increase this one. Let us say 3. Coil direction and coiling process like cold or hot. We have few options in this, like based on the static loading, based on the fatigue loading. So these are based on the static loading now. Suppose we will choose this option and click OK. Now this will be changed to fatigue loading. So we have to mention here finite life or what is the requirement for the fatigue considering dynamic load. Also, we have options here to specify min diameter, inside diameter. Like that, design criteria, design spring at the given load, test spring at the given load. Also spring dimensions. So we will choose this accordingly as per our requirement. You can choose any option as per your requirement. Click OK. Now we will here add number of active coils. I need 15. Wire diameter will be 6 mm. Here are the options for different wire diameters and load. Right now I am considering the same load. Safety factor I have considered 3. Let's click on calculate. Now it is fail. We can see here. So go to the design parameters and make this 8. Then calculate again. It is also fail. Just click on this question mark. You will get the pop-up or a result why it is failed. So pitch of the spring does not lie within the practical operational values. So this is the error. Also included shear stress is more than the permissible stress and solid length is more than the full compressed length. So I will make this as 6. Now calculate. It is also failed. So just decrease the load. And make a safety factor as 1. Then calculate. Now it is safe and passed all the results. You can see here the results for the validation. Just click on create to create 3D model. If you want a report for this, just click on report. So click on create. Now here we have two options like a preloaded view or full compressed view. You can choose any one of these two options. Just click on generate. Now it will ask to save the file at a desired location. Give name spring 3 and then save. File, open this spring 3. So this is the model for a compressed spring. We can download compressed version of the spring, compressed spring. Just click on create, full compressed view, generate. spring 4, now it is generated, spring 4. This is the compressed version of the same spring, and this is the expanded version of the same spring. Hope have you enjoyed this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more updated videos. Thank you.